Good day everyone, my name is Bongani Zulu from Durban, South Africa. Today I would like to talk to you about MMM. What is MMM? Who founded MMM? What is the goal of MMM? And how does MMM global work? I'll start with introducing MMM. What is MMM? MMM is a global community of financial aid and donation exchange. The community of people providing each other financial help voluntarily. Who founded MMM? MMM was founded by a Russian gentleman called Sergei Mavroti. Sergei Mavroti holds a bachelor's degree in mathematics. He worked as a programmer, and he also worked as a deputy of a Russian parliament. What is the goal of MMM? The goal of MMM is to help people financially around the world. Is to create a new financial order in the world community, to stop financial slavery, and as well as to create financial freedom to everyone. How does it work? Participants join MMM Global System free of charge and become a member. Once you have become a member, you decide and state how much donation, how much you're willing to donate with. And then the system, MMM system will assign a person that you need to donate the money or the Bitcoin to. So as soon as you donate that money or the Bitcoins, it becomes available to you immediately with 30% interest. So you can, if you like, you can withdraw that money at any time. And then the money, if you don't like, you can leave that money. It will continue accumulating 30% interest on a monthly basis. MMM structure. MMM, I would say MMM has over 138 million members across the world, around the world, and operates in 107 countries worldwide. Also, there are many benefits that you can get from MMM. Like, if you are a member and you recruit another member, you'll get 10% of whatever that member wants to donate with. And there's some other benefits as well for managers' bonuses and leader bonuses, so on and so forth. So guys, I will say, let's unite and join each other to bring down this unfair financial system and destroy this financial slavery. Okay, thank you.